Bingo Blitz, Bingo Bash, and Zynga Bingo are among the best-known bingo games in 2026. But exact active player rankings are difficult to verify, because most developers do not publish live daily or monthly player counts. That means the useful way to rank popular bingo games is by looking at established player communities, download history, ongoing updates, and how active each game's ecosystem remains. Number 5 is iBingo Cash. It is built around competitive bingo, and cash prize gameplay where available. Because the app focuses heavily on real money competition, its audience is different from traditional social bingo games. Check your local eligibility before expecting cash features. Number 4 is InBingo Tour. The game combines traditional bingo with a travel-themed progression system and competitive features. Its continued presence on major app stores makes it one of the bingo apps worth checking if you want an active online environment rather than an offline-only game. Number 3 is InBingo Bashing. This is one of the established social bingo games, with multiple bingo rooms and additional mini-games built around the main gameplay. Its large catalog of rooms gives players more ways to keep playing, instead of relying on a single bingo format. Number 2 is Zynga Bingo. It comes from Zynga, the company behind several major social games. Its multiplayer design centers on playing bingo with other users, which makes the size and activity of the player community a major part of the experience. Number 1 is InBingo Blitz. It has been one of the most recognizable mobile bingo brands for years, and combines bingo rooms with collectibles, quests, and progression features. That broader game structure gives players reasons to return beyond simply completing a bingo card. There is one thing to keep in mind when comparing most active bingo games. A download total is not the same as an active player count. An app can have millions of historical downloads without having millions of people playing today. Reviews also do not provide a reliable live player count. They are useful for identifying whether an app is still receiving attention, but they cannot tell you exactly how many people are online at one moment. If you want the most active experience, choose a game with recent updates, active multiplayer rooms, current events, and a large volume of recent player feedback. For real money bingo, add another check. Confirm that cash competitions are currently available in your location before depositing. The short version is InBingo Blitz. Zynga Bingo, Bingo Bash, Bingo Tour, and Bingo Cash are 5 names worth checking in 2026, but there is no reliable public leaderboard showing exact active player numbers. Your next step is to check recent reviews and current in-game events before choosing your bingo app. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.